welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, Garnet red. Sorry guys, my flag's getting in the way here. It's a Garnet red with the black Z28 striping. It's got black Deluxe interior. Beautiful car, guys. Now, it's a Z28 tribute. It is not a real Z, but they've done a nice job cloning the car. It's a West Virginia car, good solid West Virginia body. It is a recent frame-off restoration. Yes, they've had the subframe off, all polyurethane bushings. It's got a powder-coated front subframe on it. I'm sorry, powder-coated front sway bar on it, but beautiful car. It's got a small block Chevy motor that's built to 302 specs. It started as a 327 block. It's got the double hump heads, and it's got a Duntov Z28 solid lift camshaft in it. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Pretty car, guys. Love the paint. I wish we had some sunshine on it so you could see it. It really pops. New bumpers. We just got gorgeous paint on it. Cowl hood. Yeah, you can kind of see there's some light scratching in the window, the back window. I think I've seen a little bit in the front windshield as well. But awfully nice car, guys. Really nicely done. There's two little spots in the clear right there. Sorry, guys, it get dusty quick out here. The wind's whipping around here. Of course, we got the leaves falling. Car's laser straight down the sides. Now these are 15 by 8 inch Corvette Rallys all the way around the car. It's got Cooper Cobra rubber. It's got the flat caps. Come on, there we go. Pretty car. Does have power front disc brakes. Again, what started off as a 327 block, you can see it's got the GM double hump heads on it, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock air gap intake. Again, it's got a Duntov Z28 solid lift camshaft. The engine's built to 302 specs. Hookers, ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor, and detailed up. Very nice, guys. Of course, it's got the clear coated over stripes. I mean, paint on this car is slick. New mirrors. Looks like new. Those are probably the original door handles. It's got the black Deluxe interior. Sorry guys, like I say, the wind gets blowing out here, and I like the Deluxe interior. It's got the sports steering wheel, Hurst shifter, bucket seats, console. Showing 48,000 on the odometer. To be honest with the guy we bought it from, he said he just didn't know really anything about the miles. So aftermarket AM/FM radio. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. 10 bolt 373 limited slip gear. Do this without ripping out the, you can see it's all, yeah, they spackle painted that part. This part they just got painted black, but you can see it's good and solid in the trunk. It's hard to, those mats are a pain in the butt to try to pull out. Usually I rip the doggone lights out in the back when I try to pull them out. Pretty paint, guys. And I'll tell you, this car is all gloss black underneath. All polyurethane bushings. Good looking car. Is in good shape. Steering wheel looks brand new. Again, those look like the original door handles. Mirrors are definitely new. Again, solid lip camshaft. Fuel gauge works. Gauge is all working down there. Yep. Looks like parking brake does work, guys.
I'll turn the radio on.
No. We can have Steve take a peek at it. Blower motor.
Yep.
Blower motor does work, guys. And we got a light on this right side that's a little light. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page, or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call at 248-620-3355. Well, that's a good looking car, guys. Have a great day, guys.